India is a land of great diversity and a vibrant, accepting culture. A heritage that embraces multitude faiths, beliefs, rites, rituals, and celebrations. The heart of India, Uttar Pradesh, best reflects this unique amalgamation of an all-encompassing culture where all faiths and religious groups converge to celebrate this unique socio-cultural ethnic diversity. The celebration of the Kumbh Mela, Kanwad Yatra, Raksha Bandhan, Prakash Parv, Buddha Purnima, Christmas, Paryushan, Eid, Dashera, Giriraj Yatra, Navratri, Ram Navami, Shivratri, or the Govardhan Yatra form the weft and weave of the unique syncretic culture in Uttar Pradesh. While innumerable celebrations abound in our culture, the Dev Deepavali, Deepotsav, Krishna Janmotsav, and Rangotsav hold global attention and charm. Millions of earthen lamps lighting up the earth as far as the eye can see. Tiny wicks of light shimmering to the horizon and beyond belies imagination. The ghats of Varanasi on Dev Deepavali come alive with countless lamps dispelling darkness all around and presenting an ineffable sight that can only be experienced by being there. Join the gods as they descend upon earth to celebrate Dev Deepavali each year at the oldest living city in the world, Kashi. Travel to the banks of the Saryu and celebrate Lord Ram's return to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and vanquishing Ravan. Rejoice the return of the embodiment of truth and morality, the ideal son, ideal husband, and above all, the ideal king, Lord Shri Ram. Light a lamp on the Ram Ki Pedi, soak in the rich culture and heritage of Ayodhya and the life of Lord Ram. Dispel the darkness that pervades the heart, mind and soul. Usher in Ram Raj on Deepotsav at Ayodhya. Experience sheer bliss. At Vrindavan and Mathura, rejoice the birth of the eternal heartthrob, the epitome of love and wisdom, Lord Krishna. Regale the spirits with the festivities around the life of Krishna with great fervor during Krishna Utsav. The sheer energy and vigor are enough to leave a lasting impression and provide an experience unparalleled over 10 days. Be a part of celebrations that have been observed for the last 5,000 years in Vrindavan and Mathura. Indulge in Ras Leela or simply soak in the divinity. Holi is an unending rite of color, but Holi at Barsana and Nandgaon is esoteric beyond description. Witness Holi in all its glory and variations. Entwined around the life of Krishna and Radha, the week-long Rangotsav celebrations see one huge sea of humanity blissfully immerse themselves in the hues of tradition, heritage and camaraderie. Join the world as it relives the unique customs and traditions of Holi at Braj. The government of Uttar Pradesh, under the able leadership of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, has been working ceaselessly to revive and boost the rich culture of India, because a nation stays alive when its culture stays alive. They say if you haven't celebrated festivals in India, you're missing something. But if you haven't celebrated festivals in Uttar Pradesh, you haven't seen India. Come celebrate with us.